In this video, we'll be showing you how to use an obd-II scan tool. These are great tools that can help you diagnose what's going on with your vehicle when a check engine light or service engine soon light pops on your dash. Now, if you'd like to pick up this particular model, we'll be leaving an affiliate link down in the description, meaning if you do make a purchase, we'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. The first thing we need to do is locate where the OBD port is. Now, on most vehicles, it's going to be on the driver's side, right underneath the steering wheel. As you can see, it is right here on our Chevy Tahoe. Once this has been located, the next step to do is to plug in the scanner tool. With the tool plugged in, we'll now switch the car into the on position. We don't need to start it, but just turn the battery on. And as you can see here, we have that service engine soon light popping up on our dash. At this point, the scanner tool will be able to read what is going on and being fed to the computer. So we click enter and it gives us a read diagnostic. It shows us that we have 3 issues that are being read with the vehicle. Now on the menu, we can go through and scroll through the different settings. Just for this example, we're going to hit rescan just so it runs it again so you can see what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and hit enter on the rescan option. It reads it, shows we have again 3 issues going on. Now we're going to click on DTC, the diagnostic trouble code. The reader is telling us that we have 2 confirmed issues and 1 pending issue. Hitting the enter button one more time will then show us the specific error codes that are popping up on this vehicle. The error code is going to be located in the top left-hand corner of the screen, as you can see here. Then you can press the scroll button to also see what other codes are popping up on the vehicle as well. Now with these codes, you can either check the owner's manual or do a quick Google search to see what could possibly be wrong with your vehicle. And once you have those codes figured out, now, to stop using this device, it's super easy. You're just going to turn off your vehicle and then unplug it from the OBD port. And that is how you use the obd-II scanner. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.